DJ MTV.
Country people, una welcome to DJ MTV weekly news update for Pidgin English. Me wan like una this week na be una country brother Stanley Okocha. I beg my brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJ MTV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot ogbonge news like this. Our first news for today na be the one when it concern the chief of staff of Presido Muhammadu Buhari. The thing don happen say the chief of staff to the Presido don kick iron bucket. This one happen sake of say the man when him name be Abba Kyari get that disease wey dem dey call coronavirus. Dem bin don dey treat am before for one private hospital for Lagos, but the thing come too overweak am. Una know say the man don hold, come too overweak am, the man come kick iron bucket. As me and you dey talk now, the man dey don even bury am. Workers for one Chinese company for Ogun State don riot o. Wetin cause the riot? Dem say for good 14 days the management of the Chinese company lock dem inside the Chinese company sake of say dem dey suspect say maybe dem get coronavirus. Dem say inside these 14 days no food, no water, no even better place to sleep. Then after 14 days don knack now, the Chinese company management come push dem come out, say make dem come dey go their house without paying dem, not provide food for them, make dem just dey go like that. Na so the riot take burst. For those of them wey never see the video, make una see am.
DJ MTV. 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 DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
We don't come back, oh. My brother, my sister. This one not be open mouth thing. For our own country again, Chinese when they waka come from their country come they tell us what to do. Remember say some weeks back, they begin to pursue our people come from that side. We not see anything do them. Now they want to take over our country. I beg, Presido. How many times I call? Be careful for the loan when they go to collect from them. Maybe now they give them the liver when we say they want to tell us what to do for our country. I beg, my brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take they watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel when be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue they receive all thought ogbonge news like this.
DJ ATV.